Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Yankee Dabbler. Of course, every day is a train show. My name is DJ, and this is
Engineer Hall.
Woo, and here we go with another show. And today we're going to do something a little bit different, okay?
How different?
Well, we got our friend Christian that works here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Christian is, he's special. And I'm trying to help him out a little bit. So I got my friend Katie here, okay?
Okay.
Katie said that she would go out with him, which is great. He needs this, okay?
Yeah.
So I don't want to make it seem like I'm doing some type of charity thing, so I thought we are going to do something a little stupid. So at the end of the show, I'm going to say, hey, do you want to go out with Katie or do you want to go out with trains, all right? I mean, it's a no-brainer in my opinion, all right? So we'll see. Here are some of his options. Are you ready to see his options, Engineer
Let's
Hall?
see the options.
All right, well, check this out. It's Boxcars, Engineer Hall. We got a bunch of different ones here. So this is the International paper. We got the GATX. GATX. We got the Genesee and Wyoming, and of course we have the TTRX. Now these are very basic cars. Of course, these are part of the Roundhouse collection, but they are nice cars here. I mean, they're solid built. I mean, I don't think you're gonna have to weigh these down here, and there's pretty good detailing for what they are, Engineer Hall. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, absolutely.
What's all those numbers mean?
Oh, that's the data reporting there.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So if you have really small eyes, you can check that stuff out. Look at that.
They have the print on the end of the cars and be legible. That's pretty good.
That-
The value for the car.
That's pretty awesome. And the price is awesome with these cars too, okay? So the retail value on these cars is $27.99, but we're selling here in Yankee Dabbler for $23.99. It's a great deal to get on a car. I mean, look, we have a whole bunch of different box cars here, so you can add them, make a nice long box car train. As a matter of fact, I think we're going to see some more box cars. Are you ready to go, Engineer Hall?
It's my show.
Let's box it up. So I just texted Katie, and she said that she is not that concerned with looks. As a matter of fact, she actually thinks personality is best. I mean, come on. And she's also into beards.
What?
I mean, come on. This is
like a good catch.
All right, so we have the high Q box cars Christian can choose from, or Katie, who doesn't mind looks, or we have another car. It's another boxcar, Engineer Hall.
Let's take a look at it.
Oh my goodness, these are double door boxcars. Now, why are they called double door boxcars?
Because they got two doors on the side.
Oh, well, that makes sense. So that is the Santa Fe. We have the Union Pacific. We got the Penn Central, and I'm not familiar with this one at all.
Me neither.
Norfolk something. So what's really neat about these cars here, though, is so this is part of the Athearn line here. We have two Athearn products that we're going to see, but I don't think it's going to be the last one. If you check out the molding on this, that looks pretty good, doesn't it, Engineer Hall?
Yeah, for a value car, yeah.
I mean, I really like the design on these cars here. And what's really cool about them, again, is you have the writing. You got the double doors. And they have some weight to it, too. It's pretty good. Now, the retail value of these box cars is $34.99, but we got here in Yankee Dabbler for $27.99. So, I mean, you could put them together with the other box cars. You could put them all together. They would all be interchanged with each other, right, Engineer Hall?
Absolutely.
So, I mean, you could get a nice long box car train, and what do you say? That you can never have enough?
Box cars.
That's right. So, come to Yankee Dabbler and get these on your rails today before you'll be upset they rolled away. Wow, this is crazy. Katie said that she would pay for dinner.
What?
I know, right? This is like the perfect girl for Christian.
Ask her where she going to take him to.
Okay. Where are you going to take him? Anywhere he wants. Woo! Oh, man, this is going good. So, Christian can choose between those two box cars or Katie. I mean, oh my God, I'm so excited to set this up. This is going to be great. All right. Hey, by the way, I was so excited to show this last boxer, so I forgot to. Let's check out these two that I forgot to put with the double doors. We had the BC Rail and the Conrail. How can I forget those two, right, EH?
I know, right?
All right, but guess what? We got another boxcar. These are 50-foot PS boxcars. Man, this is the boxcar show.
Can never have too many.
I know. If you take a look at all these different ones here, these are really cool looking cars. I really like that one. That one's pretty neat. And of course, this is as classic of a rail design as you can get, right?
You cannot go wrong having one of these.
That's right. Now, these are, again, the 50-foot PS boxcars. Again, let's take a look at the detailing that we got. I feel like I could go on repeat. Nice strong weight. Nice writing. Don't know what it means, but it looks good. They have metal wheels. They're pretty. Multiple numbers. I mean, they're just really cool looking cars. So the retail value of these cars is $37.99. We got here for $29.99. So every single one of these boxers I just showed you is under $30. So you can't beat that, especially today. come in, get these boxcars on the rails so you can have a nice long boxcar train. How many you getting, EH?
A mini I can fill my layout with.
Oh boy, so they're all coming home with him.
Mm-hmm. Oh, also like the boxcars who would love to have one?
Who?
Look, check out. We got the Conrail,
I don't know who would like that one.
Dakman.
Oh, okay.
And guess who else?
Who?
Sparky 107, 107.
So you're
And
saying...
he's from Canada too, so he can have both.
Oh, man.
Wow.
Come get them today before those guys do. So, Katie just said that she will take Christian wherever he wants to go in the world because her father's loaded, so they could just go wherever they want and she'll pay for it all.
Yeah, she sounds like a very
This
sweet
girl
and
is amazing.
wow.
Oh,
crazy.
man. Dang. Oh, well, you know what? So he has the boxcars. Look, Engineer Hall, there's other cars out there, right?
Oh, what else?
Well, we got the spine cars to look at here.
Oh, who are they from?
They're from Athearn. It's the all Athearn show.
There we go.
Oh my goodness. We are not sponsored by Athearn, by the way. So these are the 57-foot Trinity 3-unit spine cars. These are really cool looking cars here. Now they all are actually connected. So each one is individual. And there's a whole bunch of parts here. Look, some assembly required.
Absolutely.
But if you check out these cars here, you can see that I have one base unit here, and then I connect it right there. And of course, there's all the nice detailing that I can put on it to make this look really awesome. What type of car, trailers would fit on here, EH?
Oh, you can fit any from 40-foot containers to all the way to a 53-foot container. And you can put the hitch on and put a trail on top of it.
Can I put a cheeseburger on it?
You absolutely, as long as it fit inside the dimension, you can go anything you want on there.
I'm hungry.
But you've got something, though. These also under prime for grind.
Wait, is
So
that the
color.
prime for grind one?
Yes, look at the color.
That's right. It does look a little bit faded. That's pretty awesome. And if you take a look at the two that I have in the box here, of course, I had the traditional TTRX one, and I had the Burlington Northern Santa Fe. Now, these are really cool cars to get. And, of course, to get the prime for grind, you get the regular one. Doesn't matter which one you get because they're all the same. The retail value of these cars is $139.99, but we're selling them here at Yankee Dabbler for $109.99. So it's a great deal to get all these cars. Kind of a little unique. I know, Engineer Hall. Sorry, they're not box cars. There's other cars out there, okay? So come to Yankee Dabbler and get these cars. Right, EH?
Absolutely.
All right.
But you know what? The
What?
trailers are rectangular.
The trailers are rectangular, yes.
Yeah, and the trailers are rectangular.
So basically,
box,
you call these box cars on flat cars. Great. Guess what, Engineer Hall?
What's up?
So Katie said that since her father's loaded, she will buy Christian a Lamborghini on the first date.
Oh my gosh, she is such a great female. Oh my gosh.
Christian needs this, right?
Yes, he does.
He needs this. This is so perfect. All right. So here's his other option in case he doesn't go with Katie. How would he not do that? These are, again, from Athearn. What are these, EH?
Oh, these are the tunnel motors.
Ooh, the SD40Ts here. And I got the Canadian National. I got the Southern Pacific. Now check this out. I got some prime for grime ones there. What is that one? The Cotton Belt?
Mm-hmm.
I have here a UP patch job Southern Pacific. I have another UP patch job for the Rio Grande. And finally, I got the Burlington Northern. Now, these are really cool looking engines here. Now, the tunnel motors have a pretty unique history going behind them. And you can really tell what they are based off of the back here. Now, what is this called, Engineer Hall?
Oh, the radiator section.
So the radiator section is at the end of these. And take a look at these prime for grime ones. I mean, let's take a look here at the Southern Pacific one, for example. So I love the patch job that you have here. Obviously, the paint is faded a little bit. You got the UP logo up on the front. That's a pretty cool look. I mean, like, let's face it, 20 years ago, we weren't getting trains like this, right? Ian?
Absolutely not. And I enjoy seeing the prime for grime stuff because that's one less thing a modeler can do. And it has a head start. It throw a little grime on
Let's
it.
face it, if
Good
you
to go.
wanted to weather these back in the day, you just had to put it outside and have it get rained on for like a couple months. But then they didn't really work too well. But these are really cool looking engines here. Now, the regular versions, the ones that aren't prime for grime, are a little bit cheaper. The retail value of these engines is $244.99. We got these for $194.99. And then the prime for grime ones are actually $5 more. They retail for $254, but we got them for $199. So, an engine for under $200 EH. That's pretty awesome. So, which one do you want to run?
Oh, I don't know. To ask the people in the comments below.
Well, how are we going to see that? We haven't posted the video yet.
Oh, we'll wait.
Don't think that's going to work. Let's just psychically figure out what they're going to say. Let's say it on the count of three. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. Here's the belt. The horn. Let's move it out. Back it up. Hey, Engineer Hall, look over there. Done. Now arriving on track 1, the boxcar train. That's a cool engine to get there. I really enjoy messing with that. Now, the retail value for the non-prime for Grimes are $194.99 for us, and for the prime for Guy versions is $5 more, $199.99. That's a pretty good deal to get. If you want to weather it, this $5 more. Don't you think, EH?
It's pretty good value in that locomotive.
So come in, get that whole train. You can literally get this whole train we just created on your rails if you just buy the stuff.
Literally.
It'd be great. Before we do our recap, I wanted to give a shout out to some of our fans. First of all, if you notice, Engineer Hall, what tie do I have on today?
Oh, we got the DNA.
That's right. In our last conversation, we had a retired D&H employee, Mr. Bob Doyle. He sent us a very nice message. So I wore this for you today, Bob. So thanks for watching. And
Bob!
And then we had two people that came into the store. You actually saw their photo on the last show, Rich and Francesca. Thanks very much for watching.
Rich Francesca!
We really appreciate you guys watching. Let's do all of our fans because check this out. Here's our recap of all our shows today. So we saw here everything's from Athearn. So EH, just put Athearn across the screen.
That's it.
Can you do that? So I got here the SD40Ts, tunnel motors. I had here a whole bunch of different boxcars. We got the double door boxcar, we got the Haiku boxcar, we got the PS boxcar, we got the spine cars here, and everything is available where, EH?
On the website, yankeedabbler.com.
That's right. Just go on our website. We're open 24/7 on the website. You can put whatever you want. So hopefully we get shipped to you and you can have hours of railroading fun. And you know how you get stay up to date on this stuff?
How can they?
Well, I'm going to tell you. You just go to Engineer Hall channel on YouTube. Click that subscribe button, and you get to see all our new stuff that we got here. How exciting is that?
Oh, you can't know better than that.
I mean, this is just super duper awesome, all right? So, yeah. I mean, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click that. So, Christian, are you here?
Hi, DJ.
Okay, so guess what? So, we've been kind of coming out. We're trying to get you someone to go out with you.
Okay.
Because it's a little challenging. So, this is Katie.
Ooh.
She said she'll go out with you, dude.
She likes me. She wants to go out with me.
She likes you. She says she loves guys with beards.
Ooh, I got one of those.
I know, right? And she says that she's got to give you a Lamborghini and you could go
Ooh.
anywhere you want to go in the world. I mean, she sounds like the perfect girl.
She like trains?
That's the only thing. She's not a train person.
I'll
Yeah.
take the diesel. You know what? You wasted my time. I'm taking two.
She picked the diesel over the girl.
Two.
Picked the train over the pretty girl.
Yeah, he did.
I mean, what's wrong with that? I mean, if it was me, I'm sorry. I like trains, but I'm taking the girl. I mean, she just seems... There's not a train out there that would make me not want to go out with this girl. I mean, I mean, come on, like seriously. I mean,
Really?
You know, yeah. I mean,
Really?
Well, I mean, she's gonna give you a Lamborghini. She's gonna go all. I mean, come on. I'm taking Katie. I'm sorry, Katie. I'm coming. All right. There's nothing you can say. You will change my mind.
Nothing I can say to you.
No, not
It's
at all.
It's none I can persuade you.
No,
You sure?
dude. I'm sorry. This is happening. I'm getting a Lamborghini, and what's that?
Smell that?
What is it?
Smell that?
Is that a steam engine?
What's that? What's that? What is that?
That's a steam engine.
Okay. Get off.
It's
Get
okay.
off.
It's okay. You know what? I'm married anyway. You know that's fine. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we all make our choices. I got a steam engine now. Rail fan video something. Bye. Train. Christian, I got a train too. Yay!